there a need for meditation in our modern society?
What is the need of meditation in today's society, in today's life as such? You know, if you look at the benefits that meditation bring into our life, we feel it is all the more relevant, all the more needed. In ancient times, meditation was used for enlightenment, to finding the self. And meditation is a way to get rid of misery, to overcome misery, overcome problems. Meditation has been the way to improve one's abilities. 3 things. And today, leaving aside enlightenment, if you see the social ills of today, the stress and tension, it calls for one to meditate. The more responsibility you have in your life, more is the need for meditation. If you have nothing to do, you may not need meditation so much, because you have nothing to do. The busier you are, the less time you have, the more work you have, more desires you have, ambitions you have, all the more you need to be meditating. Because meditation not only relieves you of stress and strain, it enhances your abilities to face the challenges. Meditation brings better health to us. Meditation is food for the soul. It's the energizers for the mind. It is lifeline for the body. It keeps your body in shape, helps your nervous system, helps your mind, your alertness, improves your perception, and helps you to express yourself properly. What more you want? Everything has come. So the benefits of meditations are many. Basically, you can say if you want to be happy, you need to meditate. Happy and healthy. If you want to be happy and healthy, you have got to be meditating.
What is the value of art of meditation? What are the benefits that people will realize as a result of practicing this? You have already said. Please answer generally and then very specifically. That is, how does art of meditation benefit the mind, the body, relationships, spiritual aspirations, society as a whole?
I've said everything. Meditation helps to change your perspective. Now meditation helps you to change the way you perceive things. It improves your perception, it brings clarity in the mind. And it helps you in your relationship with people around, how you interact with people, what you say, how you react or act in different situations. So, in general, it helps in creating a violence-free society, disease-free body, confusion-free mind, inhibition-free intellect, trauma-free memory, and sorrow-free soul.